I am Russell T Davis. I'm the showrunner on Doctor Who. We're at the Nui House in West Hollywood, and it's the premiere of the new series of Doctor Who on Disney Plus. It's a great team. We've got great designers, we've got great writers. I'm one of the writers, so I would say that. And great actors. That's the main key to it. We've got Shooty, we've got Millie, and they play the Doctor and Ruby, and they're very much the heart of it. All the energy and life and bounce and joy. Everyone wanted that part. Everybody in Britain wants to be Doctor Who, every actor. And those two got it because they're absolutely the best. Genuinely the best. I guess.
My name is Shusi Gatwa, and I play the Doctor in Doctor Who, and we are at the LA premiere of Doctor Who. Just sharing the show. I mean, Russell has poured his heart and soul into it. He's the biggest Whovian on the planet. I'd say anytime me and Millie were on the wires, the crew would have a heart attack trying to control us. Any of those moments. The finale as well was just like devastating, and so ready for the audience to see that. In 3 words, I describe my Doctor as flirty, emotionally vulnerable. That's 2, but in 1. And fun.
I'm Millie Gibson and I play Ruby Sunday. We are at the season 1 launch of Doctor Who, so it's very exciting. Oh my gosh, just the secrets we've been keeping for like 2 years, so we're very ready for the season to come out. I mean, I've had the most fun on this job, and yeah, I'm excited for everyone to see Ruby Sunday in different forms, different episodes, and yeah, I just hope everyone enjoys. This season of Doctor Who is going to be timeless.
I get so much joy from watching it, from the audience reaction. It's loved by children, but it's loved by adults as well. It's a great big fan base, which is always lovely and tough to please, obviously. If you're new to the show, it's like jumping into the biggest toy box. My God, I'm jealous of those people. I hadn't thought about that. There are some people coming to this. It's like discovering a huge fantasy factory. If you want to delve into the history, you'll be there for days and days. If you go down a huge exploration of all the past, but that doesn't matter. You can just stay in the present and watch the new stuff. We've got 8 episodes to come in this season. They're mad. We've already got a Christmas episode to come. We've already got a 2nd season commissioned. So if you want to be a brand new fan, join in with the fun of it. It's a really, really great time. And I promise you, I've loved this all my life, and it has repaid me and become one of the great comforts and joys of my life, so it's a great thing.
That's kind of what I love, is that this show has the ability to be new constantly. I think about that with Family Guy, like how cool that would be if Lois changed. I mean, I don't want that to happen, but it would be interesting if there was a new Lois every season. Wouldn't it be neat? No, you can't. You're not allowed to talk.
This is exciting. I can't wait to see the new Doctor, and I'm a big Doctor Who fan from a long time, so I want to see it. I want to see the sneak. David Tennant is my favorite. I have to say, that's the one I was a kid. I grew up. You know, whenever I see him at a convention or something, my heart races. But, you know, they're all so wonderful and so different. Jodie was so amazing, and I just can't wait to see this new chapter unfold.
I've thought long and hard about this, and the reason I would time travel is not to change anything in the past. It would not be to meet anyone. It would be to have a lifetime of firsts. I would want another first kiss. I would want to see the Eiffel Tower for the first time. I would like a lifetime of firsts.
We're entering a new era of Who, and I'm very, 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 very excited about it.
We are huge Whovians. We've been watching since the 1970s. Love the show. Love the new incarnation. and really excited to see the new cast. Ncudi's amazing. I love the energy, the joy that he brings to the part. I think that's going to be really exciting.
This is actually my first entry to Doctor Who. I know it's legendary in England. If I could time travel? Wow, it's a great question. I think I got to go to the future. You know, I want to see what's happening in the future. We got flying cars, like what's happening, you know?
I'm old school. I go back to David Tennant. But yeah, something as long running and as cool, you got to come out for something like that. I don't schlep out for anything, but this one I did.
Oh, we're big fans.
I'm a big fan.
She's a bigger fan than me, probably. She watched the entire run of it in like the last 6 months.
I started in like December, I think, and I finished it last month, and I'm starting again with my sister this time because she really likes it.
When she was getting to the end, she was like, I can't wait to finish it. And I thought, like, so that she can move on. And she said, so that I can start watching it from the beginning and know everything that's going to happen.
The new season of Doctor Who is going to be joyous.